the difficult decision ng isang superintendent. How to deal with safety issues, because you will have to fork out money, but your budget is already finished. So what will you do? Okay. Ito, napakasimple. Go to the owners, explain that there is requirement to supply this kind of equipment, it affects safety, etc., etc. And you need to supply because of safety.
Yung local class lang mga barko natin, hindi ganong hindi kayo ganong very strict sila with regards doon sa mga operating procedure sa welding process. Pag si Ajax kasi, daming requirement kung Ajax class ang barko nino sa welding process pa lang. Dami-daming gusto nilang mangyari, no? Yung mga scallop, anong size ng scallop dapat, pero which is wala yan na monitor ni in local class.